I think it's a genuine lifesaver. Certainly makes your life much easier and much safer. Here is the heart of the GUTA GT20 tire pressure management system, which is so important to your safety if you're using a trailer. So unfortunately today my trailer is unavailable, so today we have the truck where we're going to install the system, and then we have here 2 stunt bicycles which we're going to send 50 feet out back with the signal enhancer and make sure that short of your trailer leaving your vehicle and rolling down the highway on its own, you're always going to get a nice clean reading. So let's first install this in the car, and then I'm going to show you how to install the tire pressure sensor on your wheel. Super simple, but sometimes people get curious about it, so I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to test it out. We'll test it out just right behind the vehicle, like if we had like a little tag. So let's go do those things. Let's put this in the car first. All right, so while I start the installation process, I want to take 2 minutes and just remind you why a tire pressure monitor system is so important, because it is pure 175% safety for you and your family. Trust me, you never want to have a blowout in your trailer or your RV. And while this can't predict or 100% resolve the issue of a blowout, what it can do is if you see the temperature rising in your tire or you see that pressure falling, it gives you the heads up, the time to get off the highway, pull off somewhere safe and address the issue before you have that big ugly blowout and you're stuck on the side of the highway waiting for a truck to come. There's no need for that. You can absolutely address this with a system like this so you don't have those issues. So obviously you could put the suction cup either on your windshield, dashboard, whatever works for you. I'm doing this because this is like the easiest for you guys to see. Let's see if it has a charge. Has a charge, nice. It does come with a USB wire, so you could plug it into the USB wire if you want. Nice color display. Okay, for some of you this will be Captain Obvious. The rest of you this will be helpful. This is how you install the sensors. They come prepared to the unit, so you don't have to start doing that. But you put on this is like your little bit of a security backup, right? As well as a way of locking this on. So you put that on the stem, then you put on your sensor here. There we go on there. Now this little tool, there's no real way to get to this, so this is why it is a little bit of an anti-theft thing. You simply lock it on like that. So that's how you install it. That's all there is to it. It is prepared with your unit. So visualize with me, this is not the bicycle, this is the back of your rig or your trailer, and that's where you're going to put this booster, right? You're going to strap this to whatever you can here. This actually works perfectly like this. This just takes 3 AAA batteries, which it comes with, and so now we should get a signal 50 feet back, which is as long as you can go. So what do you say we take it back there, see if it works? Okay, we're going to take a walk out 50 feet, but you hear this beeping? It's because I did a little test. One of these tires on the bikes, which we're going to put all the way out there, is way under pressure. So let's walk it out that 50 feet. All right, so here's the back of our trailer. This is exactly 50 feet from the rear of my truck. Let's go see make sure it's all working. We can read all 4 tires as if that was the back of the trailer. And as we could hear before, the sensor was already going off that the tire pressure is too low on one of those. I think it's 0. Oh, it's still going off, so it's clearly got a good signal. Let's check it out. It is so glary, but I wanted you to see, it's already picked up that one that I fake put it, I thought it was 0. It's got 3 pounds of air in it. And additionally, you can see the temperature in the tire is 82 degrees. Let's see if we can cancel that. Okay, so we canceled that alarm, but it's reading all of the tires. So let me tell you, just in conclusion, I have raced cars professionally. We have an RV. I've had a zillion trailers, big old trailers, little trailers, everything from amateurs to pros. And I would never go anywhere without a tire pressure sensor. Obviously, most cars have it in there, but this I have all 8 of the tires incorporated in one center area there with an audible sensor. You heard when the tire pressure went down, it went off instantly. And that's such a great heads up that I could get off the road safely at my own pace when I needed to and take care of the problem that I was having before I had a blowout. I ended up on the side of the road trying to figure out if I could change the tire or I got to wait for somebody. And a heavy duty tow is, number 1, very expensive, and number 2, could take a long time to get there. So if you're looking for a great system to easily, you saw how easy that was, easily monitor all 8 of your tires, and it's upgradable. You could do even more. If somehow you have more than 8 tires, you could do more than 8. But the kit that I got came with 8 sensors, which is pretty much perfect for most large RVs or a travel trailer, that kind of stuff. Anyway, can't go wrong with this. I think it's a genuine lifesaver. Certainly makes your life much easier and much safer. Oh, if you're interested in it, there's a link below. Go get it. It helps the channel out a lot. Like, subscribe, follow, and also drop a comment. Say, what are you going to use this for? If you have any questions about it, put it down there. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.